Get ready to elevate your drumming sessions with powerful sound and precision. The best digital drum amplifier delivers crystal clear tones, deep bass, and reliable performance. Perfect for practice, studio, or stage use. Let your beats be heard loud and clear. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Donner Digital Drum Amplifier. The Donner DDA-20 Digital Drum Amplifier is a compact, yet surprisingly powerful solution for electronic drummers who need portability without sacrificing sound quality. Equipped with a 6.5-inch woofer and a 2.0-inch tweeter, this mini amp produces a solid bass response and clear treble tones, covering a wide 20 Hz through 20 kHz frequency range. Its multimedia functionality allows for seamless wireless connectivity with mobile devices, making it easy to stream music or backing tracks and control playback via the multimedia knob. This is a huge advantage for solo practice or casual jam sessions. The amp is designed specifically for electronic drum kits, but is also compatible with keyboards and other instruments. Its enclosed cabinet design helps amplify low-end frequencies, offering a richer sound profile than you'd expect from its size. Durable corner protectors and rubber feet enhance stability and protect it during transport or active use. Whether you're practicing at home, performing outdoors, or entertaining friends with karaoke, the DDA-20 performs reliably and clearly. For musicians looking for a space-saving amp with smart connectivity and impressive output for its class, the Donner DDA-20 delivers outstanding value. Number 2. Alesis Strike Digital Drum Amplifier. The Alesis Strike Digital Drum Amplifier is a professional-grade amp engineered to meet the demands of serious drummers. With a massive 2000 WW peak power output, it delivers punchy PA-quality sound that handles both subtle tones and high-impact beats with ease. Its specially voiced 8-inch woofer and high-frequency compression driver work together to reproduce the depth and clarity of both acoustic and electronic drum sounds. Featuring Bluetooth 5.0 streaming, you can play along with music from your phone or streaming services effortlessly. The amp also includes an HPF EQ switch to refine your tone and a ground lift switch to eliminate hum and interference, crucial for live settings. Flexible input options include 2 combo XLR plus 1/4-inch jacks with independent volume controls, along with an XLR direct output for recording or linking to external systems. Whether you set it upright or use it as a wedge monitor, the amp adapts to your space. Its robust, road-ready construction and versatile positioning make it ideal for both practice and performance. If you're looking for a digital drum amplifier that brings power, clarity, and flexibility to every gig or rehearsal, the Alesis Strike Amp 8 is an outstanding choice. Number 3. Donner DKA Digital Drum Amplifier. While the Donner DKA is marketed primarily as a keyboard amplifier, its impressive audio features make it a capable and affordable choice for digital drumming as well. Delivering 20 watts of power through an 8-inch woofer and 2-inch tweeter, this amp produces a balanced sound ideal for practice, street performances, and casual band setups. It supports a frequency range of 50 Hz through 20 kHz, providing enough depth and clarity to handle drum pads and percussion triggers effectively. This 2-channel amplifier includes separate volume controls for each channel, allowing you to mix 2 instruments or mic an instrument with ease. Additional controls include gain, treble, middle, bass, and a boost switch, making tone shaping incredibly simple. With 2 1/4-inch inputs, a 1/8-inch aux input for jamming with music, a headphone output for silent practice, and a DI output for linking to external systems, the DKA covers most use cases. Its ability to handle a microphone input with clean gain further boosts its versatility. Though it's more of a general-purpose amp than one specifically designed for drums, it performs admirably in smaller settings. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, multi-instrument amp that can support electronic drums in a variety of environments, the Donner DKA is well worth considering.
Number 4. Vangoa Digital Drum Amplifier. The Vangoa Digital Drum Amplifier stands out with its powerful 40-watt output and versatile features, making it a solid option for drummers who want a bit more power and control. Equipped with an 8-inch woofer and 2-inch tweeter, it delivers an energetic and well-rounded sound that covers everything from deep bass to sparkling highs. With enough volume and presence for indoor and outdoor use, this amp shines in practice sessions, studio environments, and casual performances. A 3-band EQ lets you shape your sound with precision, while intuitive volume controls and connection ports offer flexibility. 2 instruments and a microphone can be connected simultaneously, and the amp supports wireless playback so you can jam along to backing tracks or stream music on the go. Built for durability, it features rugged edge protection and a comfortable leather handle for portability. The tilt-back cabinet design not only improves sound projection, but also makes knob access more convenient. Whether you're using it with an electronic drum kit or combining it with vocals and backing tracks, this amp provides a rich tonal depth and user-friendly controls. The Vangoa Digital Drum Amplifier is a great mid-range option for drummers seeking reliable power and thoughtful design. Number 5. Donner Digital Drum Amplifier, the 35-watt model. This 35-watt version of the Donner Digital Drum Amplifier builds upon the compact DDA-20 model, offering more power and dual speakers for a fuller, richer sound. With an 8-inch woofer and 2.5-inch tweeter, it delivers well-defined lows in clear highs, handling the full frequency range from 20 Hz to 20 kHz with ease. Additional features include a 1/8-inch aux input, headphone jack for silent play, and DI output for linking to external speakers. Its rugged, stage-ready design is built to last, with edge protection and a stable bass. If you need a digital drum amplifier with enough punch for small gigs, rich audio detail, and modern convenience like wireless control, this 35-watt Donner amp is a smart and well-rounded choice that performs beyond expectations for its price range.